What's visible here is the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S40C, a compact, low-profile robot vacuum that appears designed for consistent, everyday floor maintenance across multiple room types. At first glance, the unit looks unassuming, with a build that blends naturally into most home settings and a form factor that feels at ease in modern living spaces. One thing that stands out from the start is the LDS laser navigation system. From the very first mapping session, the S40C builds an accurate room layout, holds boundary lines reliably, and adapts when furniture changes, all without much setup required. At its price point, that level of navigation is genuinely worth noting. Suction sits at 5,000 pascals across 4 selectable cleaning modes. That handles hardwood, tile, and low-pile rugs without real difficulty. Thicker carpets may push the limits of what the suction can deliver, and the passive drag mop attachment functions more as a light surface wipe than a thorough clean for most users. The 2,400 mAh battery delivers up to 110 minutes of runtime per charge, enough to cover most apartment-sized layouts in a single session. The unit returns to its dock automatically when power drops and recharges fully in around 4 hours. Operating noise sits at approximately 62 decibels in standard mode, which stays manageable during the day. Both a HEPA filter and an allergy filter are included. Through the Xiaomi Home app, sessions can be scheduled, cleaning zones defined, and no-go boundaries set. Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant support are also built in for hands-free voice control. One area worth considering is the absence of active obstacle avoidance. Cables, pet bowls, and small items on the floor may be nudged rather than navigated around, something to keep in mind before scheduling unattended runs. Overall, for everyday dust and debris management in medium-sized homes, the S40C appears to deliver a dependable, honest, and genuinely capable experience at a competitive price.